Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading around $3.1448. If you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, there is a clear U pattern has formed. After that there is a downfall. Okay, and what we have seen, as soon as the price started going above a level of 3.67, we have seen the trend was towards upside. That is where we have seen this cup pattern was formed, and from there a further upside can be seen towards 5.4. Okay, second thing that you have to understand here is this is the bigger pattern you seen. Now coming on back on a smaller pattern, see this pattern, smaller pattern. This pattern is same, creating same bigger pattern like a smaller one. Suppose if the price keep moving above $4.21, okay, we can see there can be a further upside. This is the pattern, and chances are very high that the price can move towards a level of 4.32, and from there a level of 4.54 can be seen. If the price moving above that particular level, further upside can be seen towards 4.9. Remember that as soon as the price started going above a level of $4.21, chances of crossing 4.34 is very high, because 4.34 is weak and chances are very high it will cross this particular level, and this level is weak. $4.5 is weak, so if the price sustain this level, chances of crossing 4.3 will be there. From there 4.5 will be there, because these two levels are weak level. Okay, and we can see the price will rise above that level, and from there we can see it will touch a level of 4.83. There is a higher chances, so I am saying that a level of 4.2 is very important to come if the price has to go above a level of further upside. Okay, so we can see a further high. But now if you see this particular trend, what we have seen that after making a half around 5.3, we have seen there is a continuous downfall, but the price has touched level 4.5 maximum if you see from this level. Otherwise it was a continuous downfall was there. See, this was the downfall, and those who have bought at these levels, we have seen a trap has come for them, thinking that the price will go further upside. It made a low of around $2.7. Okay, it has sustained this level, otherwise chances was very high this pattern was supporting a downside, and chances was very high that it didn't go further long below 2.7, because we have seen an institutional buying at these particular levels. That is where the price started rising. Now the price again towards 3.14. So what you can see, if the price keep moving below this level, we can see it will go towards a level of $3.06, and if the price falling below this level, chances of going towards 2.97 can be seen. Okay, and once started falling below this level, we can see a level of 2.87, and from there a further fall can be seen towards 2.67. This is what we can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, so this is the U pattern has formed. After that there is an upside, and chances of going towards 2.69 will be there as soon as the price started going below a level of 2.83. Again I repeat, so but before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now look at this particular chart. What you can see, there is a clear U pattern has formed. After that there is a downfall, and if the price keep rising above this level, chances of going further high can be there, a very probability of further upside. Okay, now the price is trading around 3.4. so let's see how the price of didn't sustain this level, because if the price keep moving below $3, there is a higher chances of further fall. But if it keeps sustaining above this level, then there is a probability that we can see there can be a rise. But if it keep moving below $3, there is a higher chances that a further fall can be seen if it keep moving below $3. So let's see if the price fall below this level, what we can see. The next support directly coming at a level of $3.059. Okay, this is a support one, and if the price falling below that particular level, a probability of going towards 2.98 is there, which is a support too. Okay, this pattern will support a downside as soon as it started going below $3. Okay, and once the price fall below this level, then the next level coming at a level of $2.87, which is support 3, and once the price falling below that level, we can see there will be a further fall towards 2.71, which is a support 4. Okay, this is the trend we can see, and once started falling below a level of 2.74, a further downfall can be seen towards 2.61. This 2.61 is already weak level, so we can see the price will fall further down, and from there it will move towards $2.55. And if the price falling below that particular level, we can see a level of 2.36. From 2.36 a bounce can be seen, but if the price didn't bounce back, a further fall can be there. Okay, remember, if it started falling below $3, we can see there will be a further fall. But suppose if the price started rising, what you can see, suppose if it started sustaining this level, we can see it will move towards $3.18. And if it started going above this level, probability of going towards 3.26 is there. Okay, and if the price rising above that particular level, we can see the price will move towards $3.35. And once the price sustaining above 3.35, this bigger pattern support an upside movement, and chances of going towards a level of around 3.59 is there, which is a resistance 3. And once started going above this level, because this pattern will support an upside, and chances are high that we can see after 3.59 probability of touching $4 can be the in. There is a gap at 3.8, so we can see the after touching this level, it can touch 3.8 to a level of $4, and once crossing that level, it will move above a level of 4.11. Okay, this 4.11 is already a weak level, so we can see the price will rise above that level, and from there it will move towards 4.36, which is a resistance 5. Remember, these are all the levels which is very important, and a weak and strong resistance I've clearly mentioned you. Chances will be very high it will cross a level of 4.3, and from there it will move above $4.5. Okay, and once the price sustaining above 4.5, it can move towards 4.9. So trail your SL by around 0.25 as soon as the price keep moving above $3.8. Okay, or if it started sustaining above 3.35. But if the price keep falling below $3, again trail your SL by 0.15, so at least you'll capture downside movement. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it.